Hey everyone, this will be a quick unboxing here of the 2023 Motorola Moto G Power 5G. So this is the 5G version, which is a little bit more powerful than the non-5G version. They have different processors and whatnot in them. This is of course unlocked, so it'll work with all major US carriers here. You of course get the phone. You actually get charger, cable, SIM tool, guide. There's some stuff on here if you want to read that. So the 6.5 inches, 120 hertz display, pretty awesome. 5,000 milliamp battery, 256 gigabytes of storage, and does have stereo speakers, which is pretty good, considering that I only spent like $200 on this phone. It's on sale at Target, and then I also had a Target gift card, so I only paid like $150 after taxes because of my gift card. So we have looks to be some paperwork there. We have the phone here. We'll come back to that in just a moment. So we have a charger. The charger is only 10 watts. We can see right there. So it's only a 10 watt charger. But hey, at least you get a charger with it, unlike most a lot of phones these days. Also get a cable here that is USB-C to USB-A. And then what I think comes right on out. Should also be some paperwork, and there should be a SIM tool in here somewhere as well. And there's the SIM tool. All right, getting to the phone itself, it'd be hard to see on camera, so it's actually hard to see in real life. This is actually a blue, so you get right angle there. It's actually a really cool blue. It's a very dark blue, and it kind of depending on how you look at it, it looks black or blue. It also has a 50 megapixel camera, as you see right there. Of course, it has some little smudging on here. But we have the Motorola symbol there. Might be 3 camera setup. I'm not sure that's one or not. Those two are definitely. Of course, you have your flash there. So top here, besides from some more stuff on it, we have of course the mic. We have your volume rocker, power button. This color is hard to see through the camera. Speaker, or one of the 2 stereo speakers, USB-C, actually has headphone jack. It looks like another mic, or SIM card slot. I'm gonna guess also SD expansion, if I'm not mistaken. And of course, the front will have our camera there. And it's a little bit of bezels. Again, it'd be hard to see here. So there are some little bezels on the bottom, very small ones on the sides, and also a very small one on top. This is a decently light phone. I believe it's like 180 something grams, about 190 grams or so, which is really good for a 6.5 inch phone. Of course, this is basically all plastic, so the back. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll be doing some more videos on this guy relatively soon here. Probably do some comparisons and stuff like that. But yeah, not bad for $200 or so on sale. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one.